Let me show you how to create this Beyonce inspired high braided ponytail. These are the items that you will need. Now, let's begin. Start off by sectioning your hair into 4 sections, and then you will proceed to take small sections from each part and spray evenly. If your hair is in a natural state or curly, you will substitute the hairspray for a gel of your choice. The reason for taking small sections at a time is to ensure that you get a slick finish. Now, once I'm done with the back, I will proceed to follow the same steps at the front as well. At this point, I am just ensuring that I am smoothing the hair with a smoothing brush. Once I'm done, I secure all the hair and I'm ensuring that any hairs that sticking out are laid flat. Now we proceed to the braiding hair. I just use an elastic band to create a loop like so and secure it in place. You will then attach that to your ponytail. Half of it, you lay it on the ponytail, and then the other half, you will take a small bit and leave it aside, and then lay the other piece on the ponytail as well. Now, the piece that you've left aside, you will use to wrap around the base. As you're wrapping around the base, you will spray some hairspray, and this will give it a light hold so that the hair does not slip and come up. We do not want that, baby. Not when you're rocking your head or walking. We don't have time for that. So at this point, you can see that the elastic is showing. I will just move the hair around to cover it and then section it into 3 so that we can begin the braid. Once I've got my 3 equal sections, and you're also dividing your natural hair into 3 sections, I will then proceed to braid it down. I'll also show you at this point how to cover your hair using the braiding hair so that your natural hair does not stick out of the ponytail. That is not cute. So you can see exactly what I'm doing here. I take the braiding hair and I cover the natural hair. And this will create like a sandwich effect. So your hair is sandwiched between the braiding hair and it will not show underneath and neither will it show at the top. You just proceed to braid down until you reach the end. I like to secure it with some more hairspray or you could dip it into hot water. Now let me show you how to take it down. It's pretty simple. You use a rat tail comb to take down the really small thin braided bit, and once you get to a place where it's comfortable enough to use your hands, you do so. It's pretty easy. You now find the tip of the ponytail, unwrap it, and you take out the elastic. It's probably going to be a bit tangled, so you brush it through carefully and it's ready for your next install.